Hello, hi, welcome to my channel SNS Academy. In this video, we are going to discuss some more important problems of percentage topic. In a country, 60% of male citizen and 70% of female citizen are eligible to vote. 70% of male eligible to vote and voted. 60% of female citizens eligible to vote and voted. What fraction of the citizens voted during the elections? In this 60%, how many males are eligible to vote? That is 70% males are eligible. In this 60%, we want to calculate 70%. How do we calculate? 10% is 6, 70% is 42. Female 70%. How many females are eligible to vote? 60%, right? 60%. Total 70%. We need to calculate 60% of this number, right? 10% is 7, 60% is 42. What fraction of citizens voted during the election? So total persons equal to 100%. What fraction? 42 by 100. Was it simple, easy? Let's move on to the next question. Population of town 2 years ago 62,500. Due to migration to big cities, it decreases every year 4%. The present population of town is 2 years ago the population was 62,500, right? Every year it decreases 4%. So we need to calculate 4% of this number. How do we calculate? 10% is 6,250, 1% is 625, 4% is 625 into 4. 4 5 20. 4% of this number is 2,500. The population decreases, so we need to subtract. How much we get? 60,000. This is first year. Again, it decreases 4%. So we need to calculate 4% of 60,000. That means 2,400. Second year. How much we get? 57,600. The current population is 57,600. Second method. Every year it decreases 4%. We need to convert this 4% into fraction. 4 ones, 4 25s. Original it is 25 parts, right? Every year it decreases 1 part. That means 25 minus 1, 24 parts. It decreases in 2 years, right? First year, second year. Original it is 25 parts. Again it decreases 24 parts. How do we get this 24? 25 minus 1, 24, right? 25 into 25, that is 625 parts. 24 into 24, 576 parts. Here they gave 2 years ago population, right? That means 625 parts is equal to 62,500. The current population means 576 parts equal to how much? 625 into 100, 62,500, right? Into 100. So this is also into 100. How much we get? 57,600. So the current population is 57,600. A person saves every year 20% of his income. if his income increases every year by 10%, then his savings increase every year by what percent? Right? I assume that the person income is 100%. Income is 100%. 100% he saves 20%. That means 20 rupees. His income is increased every year by 10%, right? 100%. In this 10% is 10. So 110%. Then he saves 20%. Saving is same 20%, right? 20% of 110. We get 22. Then his savings increase every year by what? Difference is 2 divided by. He is asking increase. So we take less value. 2 by 20 into 100. That equal to 10%. His savings increases every year by 10%. If the numerator of the fraction is increased by 200% and denominator of a fraction is increased by 150%, the resultant fraction is 9 by 35. What is the original fraction? I assume that the fraction is x by y. The fraction, numerator of the fraction is increased by 200%. That means 200 plus 100. That means 300. So, into 300. Denominator of the fraction is increased by 150%, right? So 150 plus 100, that equal to 250. That resultant fraction is 9 by 35. If I cancel with 5, 3y equal to 14x. X by y equal to 3 by 14. The original fraction is 3 by 14.